In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to any video in a matter of seconds. Before I do, a clear clarification on the correct process for YouTube uploads. YouTube can automatically generate captions using speech recognition, otherwise known as AI, when you upload a video if the language is supported. These are often called auto captions. Now, they usually appear a short while after upload, not instantly, and they're based on YouTube's machine learning transcription of your audio. Now, here are some important points about auto captions. They're created from the spoken audio with no human editing, and accuracy can vary quite a bit, depending on your audio quality, your accent, overlapping speakers, talking on top of each other, and background noise, as we well know. YouTube will display automatic captions on your video unless creators remove them or replace them with their own files. So the correct process for YouTube? YouTube actually lets you upload caption and subtitle files like .srt or .vt files. These are closed captions and viewers can turn them on or off. Now you can do this during the upload process or afterwards inside YouTube Studio. Now here's an important caveat. You shouldn't bake in subtitles to your video. That's a big no-no because other language speakers will not know what they mean and screen readers can't even see them. So it's a big no. But when does baking in subtitles actually make sense? There are indeed legitimate use cases and sometimes recommended use cases, not just normal long-form YouTube videos like this one. But before I share those, I've got a quick favor to ask. I am attempting to get to 500,000 subscribers this year. Can't do it without you. You're watching this video now, so thank you very much. If you have not done so already, hit subscribe now. I will bring you fresh, creator-friendly content every single week, and thank you. Okay, so the first use case, Shorts, Reels, and TikTok-style content. It's recommended in many cases because users often watch with the sound off. Visual captions drive retention in the first 1 to 3 seconds, and stylized captions, like highlighted words and emojis and things like that, can be part of the format. Take a look at one of these shorts from my channel. Number 2, platforms that don't support captions well outside of YouTube. Some embed, some players or social platforms ignore uploaded caption files and strip captions on re-uploads. So in those cases, baking subtitles ensures that they're always visible. The best way to do them? Hands down, it's Riverside. You'll see on the screen I'm inside Riverside and I can create and import a bunch of files. They can be audio or video files, obviously video if we're baking in captions. And you'll see in the background here, I've got a podcast created earlier with lots of recordings here. These are the recordings of the hosts, by the way, speaking to each other all as separate stems, because if you record in Riverside, you get all of that and you get transcriptions of each speaker. So the subtitles and captions are already made for you. But if I go into the made for you section here, you'll see I actually have ready-made shorts that I can edit. So look at this, they're known as magic clips, AI-generated clips of your recording highlights based on your preferences, and it even ranks how likely they are to go viral. So this one is looking really good. This is a short about karma, and basically I can show you everything you can do here. It's actually picked out a part of the podcast likely to go viral, and if we play it, hitting spacebar,
what do you look at karma as?
So that's really good. It's nicely edited already, and we can go back to that. And now I can actually select these subtitles and I can change the style. So I can actually change them to have a black background or shadow 3D. There's a bunch of different ideas here that I can go with. I can also change the color so I can get my style any color I like, or I can pop open the color wheel and I can really go wild with the exact color that is right for me. It's awesome. I can make the subtitles a little bit smaller if I want, if I think they're too big, and really make them look exactly right. Another thing I can also do is go into captions here, and I can actually choose different styles of captions to really draw in the eye. Look at this, a bunch of different styles that I just have to select, and then we'll play back and instantly.
What do you look at karma as?
Now, not only have we got edits of the two speakers on the screen, but those captions are baked in. All you need to do is choose the color and the style that fits your brand. By the way, if you're not happy with the audio on this short that you're baking the captions into, AI Tools has this brilliant magic audio ability. I can apply it to the audio on this short reel and have the enhanced audio. Now let's go back to the start.
What do you look at karma as?
And she sounds so much better in just one click of magic audio. So there you go. Now you know exactly how to add subtitles to your video. Riverside lets you do a lot more than subtitles, by the way. Watch the video showing on your screen now to learn more about Riverside. And thank you so much for watching.